Hello, this is my new painting, Lost and Found. Do you feel lost sometimes? I do, we all of us do. But I find that process so interesting. So I paint about it. And I also wanted to share with you 3 great tips which helped me. And I'm sure it will help you as well. I originally painted sunset. It was a beautiful painting, but I wanted something a little bit more with deeper meanings. And I also felt so lost that time. It is so hard to be lost. Our heart is piping, the anxiety are up in the sky, and we cannot see anything. Can you see I put it dark places on it? I add black and navy blue because we cannot see anything. I created so many clouds and fog because we are just lost. We don't know where we are or what we're doing. I created a picture where sky can be sea and the sea can be sky because we don't know, we are feeling literally upside down. Our whole world is upside down. Can you see the boats? They are floating in the sky because they are lost like us. Being lost, it's very hard. And the only way how to go away from the lost state is to acknowledge the feeling. Feel the compassion with us and start to drift away from the lost clouds. Because once we acknowledge it, we can utter light to the dark place and we could see a little bit more. Then, once we acknowledge the feelings, I like to go into the meditation state where I imagine my option. I could see like, right now you are lost, you don't know what to do. The option is to do this, to do that. What will happen if I do this or that? Oh, that will happen. After this, we can start to enjoy the circle of self-discovery. When we actually can change our life, when we understood we need change, when we understood, right, this is a sky, this is sea, right, what do I want now better? And we realize it is actually a gift for us to be lost. Because we got almost another challenge to self-discover ourselves, self-change it, self-motivate ourselves, just to open the eyes and see what we didn't see before. Can you see the texture? I believe that these textures are the scars on our soul, because sometimes we get scars to remind us what we did change and why. Can you see these are the lost boats? They don't know where they are. And then these two, these are the found, the rediscovered. And this is our beautiful journey to actually become better ourselves. I hope you enjoy this video and talking about us being lost and then found ourselves. I've really loved painting this picture, and I was all the time just thinking how it is great, and I have to tell you about it. I add on the end the shells and the stones because I thought that needs to be added there as a C. This is me on the exhibition. So see you next time in our next video. Bye bye.